and he's going to be talking about how to rise above the noise and get paid for what you know. Thank you so much for joining us today, Jonathan.
Hey, I am excited. We are going to have a great conversation today, Wade, and I can't wait to jump in.
Thank you. So, Jonathan is an author, blogger, speaker, and online business coach. He spent the last decade directing creative professionals on how to pursue meaningful work. Since 2009, he's run his own portable lifestyle business online. Today, he teaches others how to build a business with their passion, their story, their message. And like I said, I've done a lot of work in this stuff. I've seen a lot of people. And from knowing a little bit about his story and then also doing the work in his book, really just find he has a very good, solid, practical, down to earth, granular understanding of how to make things happen.